Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to activate the built-in spam filter for calls on your Samsung S24 Ultra and similar devices. Alright, so it's S24 Ultra. And of course, if we show you the latest software that we're on, if we go into about, you'll see that I'm on this. You'll see that I'm on I'm on Samsung One UI version 8.0. And of course the Android version is Android 16. All right, so in order to activate the spam protection, go to your dialer, tap the three dots upper right, go to settings, and you're gonna go to call ID and spam protection. All right, so you're gonna tap this to turn on. It will ask you to agree to the user agreement. You can agree, and of course it'll be turned on. You can tap the text itself, and as you can see here guys, they explain what it is. It tells you here that it uses this feature here to identify spam and scam callers as well as other callers who aren't on your contacts. So of course you can do a block spam and scam calls. You can check that, and of course here it says only block high risk scam calls, or of course you can block all spam and scam calls. So you can actually, depending on your level of intrusiveness, that you can actually go ahead and choose. But of course you can customize to your liking. You can start with the highest level, or of course you can go ahead and just only block high risk scam calls. All right, so that's how to do it. So once you turn this feature on, you'll have the built-in scam protection that uses to block spam calls. All right, so that's a cool feature to test out to see if it helps to filter your calls. So of course you receive only those notification and messages that you actually want, and not to be bothered by those spam calls. If you do not want the feature, simply turn it off. As you can see here, we can go back and we can turn it off. All right, so it's easy to turn on, to turn off, and of course it's quite easy. All right, so I do hope this was helpful, and as always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.